In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to make Google Docs read to you. Let's get started. To enable text-to-speech in Google Docs, we need to install the Read Aloud TTS add-on. Here's how. First, open your Google document. Then, click on Extensions in the top menu. From there, select Add-ons, and then Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Now, in the search bar, type in Read Aloud and hit Enter. Once you find it, click on the add-on and press Install. You'll need to sign in using your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. Once that's done, you're all set. Now let's see how to use it. First, highlight the text you want Google Docs to read aloud. If you don't select any text, the add-on will attempt to read the entire document from the beginning, so keep that in mind. Next, click on Extensions in the top menu. Then, navigate to Read Aloud and select Open Sidebar. Once the sidebar appears, press the play button to start listening. And here's something really useful. Within the add-on, you can also adjust the reading speed, change the voice settings, and even switch to a different language to make the experience just right for you. Let's listen to how it sounds.
In a small village nestled between rolling hills, there stood an ancient oak tree known as the Whispering Tree.
Pretty cool, right? Now that you know how to use it, let's quickly go over how to uninstall it in case you ever need to. Uninstalling it is super simple. Just click on Extensions in the top menu, then select Add-ons, and go to Manage Add-ons. Find Read Aloud in the list. Click on these three dots and select Uninstall. That's it. The add-on will be completely removed from your Google Docs. And there you have it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.